Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Tricycle Camper, a revolutionary take on compact, eco-friendly travel for adventure seekers who crave mobility without compromising comfort. This innovative design blends the agility of a three-wheeled vehicle with the practicality of a camper, making it an ideal solution for solo travelers, urban explorers, and eco-conscious adventurers. Built on a lightweight but durable frame, the 2025 Tricycle Camper features an electric-assisted motor, ensuring a smooth ride while minimizing environmental impact. With the top speed of around 30 to 40 miles per hour, it offers an efficient way to navigate both city streets and open roads without requiring a traditional driver's license in many regions. Its compact size makes parking and storage a breeze, and it's designed to be both aerodynamic and stable, reducing drag while maintaining excellent balance, even with cargo. The camper section unfolds into a surprisingly spacious sleeping area, accommodating 1 to 2 people comfortably. High-quality, weather-resistant materials provide insulation against the elements, and integrated solar panels on the roof ensure a sustainable power source for lighting, charging devices, and even small appliances. Inside, the clever use of space allows for a fold-out bed, modular storage compartments, and a small kitchenette with a single-burner stove and collapsible sink. The interior is designed with multifunctionality in mind, using lightweight, durable materials that maximize efficiency without adding excess weight. Advanced battery technology extends the range of the tricycle, and regenerative braking helps conserve energy during stops and downhill rides. A digital display on the handlebars provides essential data such as speed, battery level, and navigation assistance. For those who need extra cargo space, the camper comes with attachable storage compartments and a fold-out table for outdoor dining. Smart technology integration allows users to control lighting and temperature settings via a mobile app, making the experience both convenient and customizable. Safety features include an enhanced suspension system, anti-lock braking, and high-visibility LED lights for nighttime travel. The 2025 Tricycle Camper is not just about convenience, it's about redefining the way people experience travel. Whether it's a weekend getaway, an urban camping adventure, or an off-grid excursion, this camper trike hybrid offers a unique and practical alternative to traditional RVs. Its affordability compared to full-size campers makes it accessible to a wider audience, from digital nomads to minimalist travelers looking to embrace a simpler lifestyle. With a growing interest in sustainable and flexible travel options, the 2025 Tricycle Camper is set to revolutionize the market, proving that big adventures can come in small, eco-friendly packages. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.